Another question for you is, how is private mortgage insurance affecting it, short sales?
We're seeing that coming up again in that short sale approval letter, where they're saying, well, you know, we would love to give you this short sale. We, the servicer and the investor, think, wow, you know, you should get the short sale and everything should be approved and you fit under all the criteria. However, the private mortgage insurance company is saying, no, we want a note for $40,000, we want a note for $20,000. And that's coming up. And again, the same analysis. If you don't have that liability, what is the benefit of signing that note? And that one, same thing applies. If there's some way that it benefits you, well, fine. In most cases, it will not benefit you, and it requires negotiation, understanding it. And I can tell you, most people do not think, they feel pretty powerless when they get that. They feel, I'm painted into a corner. What do I do? And there are tools out there to deal with these people. And one of them, if you qualify as a homeowner, as a borrower, and you qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you can go in and discharge that debt. And then all of a sudden the tables are turned. They can't collect it from you. What do they do? Well, now you're in the position in the higher position in that bargaining situation. Now you're in a position to dictate terms. And we'll find it. We've seen it. We've seen, especially on the second lenders, where they won't budge, where they won't move. And our clients have no choice but to file a bankruptcy. The moment they file a bankruptcy, here's the letter. Can we help you? Can we work it out with you? And not everybody qualifies for a bankruptcy, and I'm not suggesting that you file a bankruptcy simply to handle this issue. You have to look at the totality of your circumstances, and of course whether a Chapter 7 is really beneficial for you. But if it is a great tool to deal with these stubborn mortgage insurance companies and these stubborn second lenders.
You know, what people need to think of as well is not only what do I do to solve my problem today, but look at the long term. For most people, if they end up having to lose their house, they want to be a homeowner again. And that's where you go back to the short sales and bankruptcies. The lenders say you can buy again within a couple of years. That foreclosure that takes 4 to 7 years. So for most people that want to buy again, it's really imperative that they take those steps today so they can be a homeowner, you know, many years earlier than they would if they had just walked away from the house. So for the vast majority of people, that strategic default is just not the right answer.
Definitely.
Right. Good information.